So many clients ask me which visa is better for them. Should they do a K-1 or a CR-1 visa? And of course, the truth is that depends. That's an extremely lame answer, but it's the truth. If your goal is to get her from the Philippines to the US as quickly as possible, the K-1 is still going to be your best route, even though most of the processing has been slowed down because, especially from the Big Beautiful Bill Act of 2025 that was just signed, USCIS is de-emphasizing family-based immigration, so they're doing more priority on merit-based immigration. But still, the K-1 is going to be faster. Now, that being said, there are some considerations for when the CR-1 is probably a better choice. If you're already here and you're living together, you have a life together, then probably you're gonna go with the CR-1. They're less strict on the income requirements. They're less strict on just the requirements in general. Why? Because the government considers the CR-1 to a marriage to be a stronger level of commitment than a fiancé, especially in a place like the Philippines. If you're married, you are saying, I intend to be with this person forever. Whereas a K-1, it's easier for people to walk away from that relationship. So if your case is a little bit on the shady side, maybe she's had some jobs she's not proud of, or there's a criminal past on your part, or some income issues, you're definitely gonna want to go the CR-1. Additionally, the CR-1, she's gonna be a conditional resident right away, so it's less paperwork. So actually, especially if you have income issues, the CR-1 is gonna be cheaper. With the K-1, once you get done with the adjustment of status, the K-1 process itself, the medical exams, you're looking at roughly $3,000, and that's if you do it all yourself. A CR-1, you're looking at about $2,000, so that's a significant savings. Additionally, for for her, your wife, she may not verbalize this to you, but marriage means something to a Filipina, a woman in general, but especially a Filipina. Her family will be a lot more comfortable letting her go, knowing that you put a ring on it, as opposed to keeping her as a fiance. So a lot of my clients tend to be conservative. So if you are conservative and she's conservative, her family will appreciate more you putting a ring on it and having a wedding in the church that they attend, because it just shows her and them that you are serious about her. She's not a toy. You're not gonna play with her until you get bored, that you are in love with this person and you're going to give her a better life. So those are some considerations for whether or not you should do the K-1 or the CR-1 visas. If you've got any questions about these visas, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I answer them, or you can book a consultation at busybodivisa.com. Thank you.